In primetime news this evening, security forces launch counter-offensive in Haiti even as regional leaders bemoan ongoing turmoil. Expansion for Bustamante Children's Hospital, but uncertainty still grips Cornwall Regional. And suspect in the killing of Kenise Jackson remanded after court appearance on Thursday.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, Javon Keys will have the business day, Karen Madden Primetime Sports, Oral Tracy Sports Commentary, Deidre and E-Prime, and Romaine will have your weather report and forecast. And we also want your input by responding to our feedback question. This evening we're asking, in what ways do you think the service can be improved at the Bustamante Hospital for Children? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.